Hello and welcome to the Great Garden channel. Everyone dreams of having an orchid pot full of flower spikes, dense buds, and brilliant blooms. But to achieve that, love and care alone are not enough. Today, I will share with you an extremely simple organic fertilizer recipe using familiar ingredients that you can easily find right in your kitchen, something anyone can do at home. This is the method I've been using for many years, and the results are clearly visible. Strong, healthy orchid roots. Glossy, smooth green leaves. Long flower spikes with evenly formed buds. Brilliant, long-lasting blooms that even continue season after season. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any useful orchid care tips from Great Garden. Let's get started. Is there any onion in your kitchen cabinet? Onions are a familiar ingredient, but their skins actually contain many valuable nutrients that are excellent for orchid care. To make this fertilizer, I only use the dry outer skin of the onion. Onion skins contain many sulfur compounds, vitamins, minerals, and natural antioxidants, which help stimulate root growth, boost the plant's resistance, and limit harmful fungi and bacteria. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Once I've separated the onion skin from the flesh, I use scissors to cut the skins into small pieces and put them into a clean glass cup. Cutting the skins into small pieces helps release the maximum amount of nutrients from the onion peel and increases the surface area, allowing the orchid roots to absorb them more quickly, supporting healthy growth, boosting resistance, nourishing glossy green leaves, and promoting even long-lasting blooms. Next, add 500 milliliters of boiling water to soak the onion skins. Finally, cover the cup and let the solution steep for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, when the mixture has cooled down, I strain it to remove the solids and keep only the concentrated liquid. Add 1 liter of filtered water at room temperature to dilute the solution. Next, add 1 spoon of fresh milk to the onion skin solution. Then stir well to ensure the two liquids blend completely, forming a uniform mixture ready to be used for your orchids. That's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Before applying the fertilizer, water the plant first. If the growing medium is too dry, the roots won't be able to absorb the nutrients, making it harder for the plant to recover. Moreover, watering with clean water beforehand helps prevent root burn caused by a concentrated fertilizer solution, while also rinsing the growing medium to remove long-term dirt and salt buildup. This light layer of moisture creates ideal conditions for both old and new roots to expand, improving respiration, metabolism, and nutrient absorption when the fertilizer is applied. Repeat the same process with the remaining plants, making sure each one absorbs enough water before applying the fertilizer. Method 1. First, pour the prepared onion skin and fresh milk solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or a cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the orchid's leaves with slow, gentle motions. When wiping the leaves, dirt and dust are removed, allowing the plant to absorb light more effectively, while also reducing the risk of bacteria, mold, and pests, keeping the leaves clean, glossy, and healthy. Moreover, onion skins contain natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, along with vitamins and minerals, while fresh milk provides protein and nutrients, helping strengthen the leaves, boost metabolism, and enhance the plant's natural disease resistance. You should wipe both sides of the leaves evenly with the diluted onion skin and fresh milk solution. This method should be done 1 to 2 times a week to keep the leaves clean, enhance photosynthesis, prevent fungal diseases, and support sustainable plant growth without damaging the leaf tissue. Method 2. I will continue by pouring the onion skin and fresh milk mixture into a dedicated watering can. Then, gently water around the base of the orchid. This watering method supplies natural nutrients from the onion skins, along with protein, vitamins, and minerals from the milk, while also adding antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant compounds to help the plant grow stronger and healthier. Onion skins contain plenty of nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and essential trace minerals, helping the plant absorb nutrients effectively and promoting overall growth. The natural compounds from onion skins and milk help suppress fungal diseases, improve aeration in the growing medium, and create a healthy environment for beneficial microorganisms to thrive. Water with this solution once a week at first, then reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a steady nutrient supply for the plant. When watering, do it evenly and gently, avoiding excess water accumulation, so the roots can absorb nutrients well, the growing medium remains well aerated, and the risk of fungal diseases is minimized. Method 3. Pour the onion skin and fresh milk solution into a dedicated spray bottle and mist it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying the solution helps the nutrients from the onion skins and milk coat the entire plant evenly, forming a natural protective layer that strengthens the plant and helps prevent bacteria, fungi, and pests. You should spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the solution can penetrate deeply, clean the leaves, enhance photosynthesis, and stimulate lush growth with glossy green leaves and strong, healthy roots. This method should be done once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After each spraying session, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes, so the roots and leaves can absorb the nutrients. If any water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to remove it completely. This step is very important because standing water can create a favorable environment for fungal diseases to develop. Once the leaves are dried, you proactively prevent harmful agents, reduce the risk of leaf and crown rot, and keep the orchid healthy with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. The results after 2 months are truly amazing. The orchid leaves become deep green, glossy, and thick, while new leaves grow vigorously, full of life, photosynthesizing efficiently to nourish all the young shoots. The root system develops strongly, producing many new plump, white roots that anchor firmly to the growing medium, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients optimally, making the entire plant much healthier. Flower buds and flower spikes grow evenly and sturdily, ready to burst into brilliant blooms. Many buds appear, large, brightly colored, and long-lasting, while the flowers bloom one after another, creating a vibrant, lively orchid pot for many weeks. This is a well-deserved reward for patience and proper care. When nurtured the right way, orchids respond with abundant vitality and pure, radiant beauty. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our latest orchid care tips. Goodbye for now, and see you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel.